How to manage favorites on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage favorites on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and now click this three lines and then go down until you find settings and privacy and then click settings and now click this one, news feed, and then you will find here favorites. Click on it, and as you see here you can manage your favorites, friends or pages. You can just search for anyone and that's how to manage favorites on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.